Shay, and a trainer. I used to preach the gospel. There's what we call the safety gospel, about safety. At the end of my talk, what the father of Millennium? My very question méjì. What is that question here? Àwọn méjì yẹn, mo máa sọ wọn. Kò ní ibi iṣẹ́ àwọn tó máa parọ́ pé wọ́n máa bèrè pé ọ̀dọ́ ẹ̀ ní mọ̀. Okay, what I'm saying is this. Okay, I'll speak in English. Whether at the top you say, at the end of my training today, I want to train you. I'm not taking one cover. But the reasons why I want to do this in public transport is because there are so many issues of unsafe practices. Maybe I'll be speaking in pidgin so that maybe I will flow well. I'm not that good with pidgin English. Yesterday, I read the news. Okay, I read news. Say a mother and her daughter can die for fire accident in their house. Do you hear what I just said? A mother and her daughter then die for fire accident, fire break out for their house. But because they don't know how they go do, the fire do waiting. The fire quench them. We all have heard of so many stories about fire accidents. So my talk today is about fire. And in between, I'll be asking questions. If you get the answers right, I'm going to give you my jota. I have a jota for you, free of charge. Number one, I'm not selling anything. Don't think I'm here to extort you. I'm not collecting any money from you. I'm here to educate you about your own safety. So it is good. They said knowledge is power. So many people have died as a result of fire accident because of simple knowledge. So what I'm doing today, after my talk, like I said, I will ask 2 questions based on whether I don't talk. If you get them right, I will pay for your transfer. I will give you your money back. 500 naira for 2 people. That's 1,000 naira. Aside from that, while asking questions, while doing my talk, I will draw question. If you get them right, I will give you my daughter. I also have my pen here. I will give you a pen. I have a couple of pens here. So I want you to listen. It's not only about the gift, it's about what you will learn. Let me tell you a story. It's not a fiction story, it's what happened last year. During that Ramadan period. I'm a Muslim. So after breaking our fast, they go with a shop, you know, say we don't hungry now. So after the shop, I said they call me. Brother Waliu, that's my name. Fire. Where fire again? They said in the other neighborhood. Immediately, I left what I was eating. And the reason is that because they know that I'm a safety person, that's what I do. I do safety videos. I have a YouTube channel. I train people about safety so that you know what to do in case of fire. There are little things that some people could have done that would have prevented a fire accident from happening, but they don't know. So I will continue my story. So when I got there, the fire was very much. We ran around right and left, we entered scatter, we tried everything. At the end of the day, we were able to see a fire extinguisher. We shall extinguish the fire. Now, what happened? I will say the story straight, and in between, I will ask, what did you think went wrong? So when the fire first started, what happened was that their gas cooker, you know, our gas cooker for us now, the pikin won't cook for evening. You think they leak, but they manage them. If they leak, you know, so normally if you off gas, it will not smell, but they leak small. Okay, before I go forward, I want to ask my number one question. How can you know if your gas is leaking in your house? Anybody that knows? There's a particular test that you can know, that you can use to know if your gas they leak for house. Apart from smell, sir? Apart from smell is for you to have heard the smell, it means that it has covered the whole place. Before it got to that stage, what method can you use to know if your gas cylinder is leaking? Anybody? Okay, please, if you don't know, remind me later.
Are you enjoying this? Please subscribe.
So that I will tell you. So let me continue my story. So the thing was leaking, you know. So as the girl won't do the matches, the first time, you know, work. So meanwhile, the girl don't want them. So the thing they come out. The second time, the match no one. The third time when you put her like this, I thought the fire just explode. okay, let me use the word explode casually. Before you knew it, everywhere was bringing out fire. The gas cylinder was bringing out fire. But they were lucky that their house was a decking. As me, it was a roof that has a wood. It will have become worse. So now, when that one happened for the first time, when the next thing, when the pikin don't go do now, small pikin, daddy, fire. Papa, no. Most of you here, but I want to ask you now, the second question. If you see that kind of fire, what do you go do? Your gas cylinder, they bring that fire, you go see and they bring a fire like this, what do you go do?
I will off it.
It's already, the fire is already, the gas cylinder is already on fire. You can't even touch it again. What do you go do? And that later, there's something that you go do. Because when you use someone, see one thing about water, I will talk about water. No idea. But the baby, because we don't know. You know things already. Daddy. Egg me out you. If I put daddy let come. If I put daddy your time. Tell her left for money. Now daddy try. One thing you do, there are three things. You get three things they help fire they blow. If you come out one thing, the fire go come out. Number one, now the heat. The heat. Number two, the heat now the source where they bring the where go they make the thing the heat where they come out. Number one. Number two, now the fuel. Number three, now oxygen. If you don't come out oxygen, that the air where we get now, the fire go quench. That is the reason they tell you to use towel to cover so that oxygen will not be present. You are starving it. That is called starving. So on this note, because the fire don't big, towel not be work. It go burn the towel. The first way come to that man's mind now to use water, like what my other talk. And number one error. Sorry, see, I put out for here by my elders. Number one error. You can't use water to quench gas fire. Say you see your gas will come on fire, you can't use water. It will multiply it will explode. You don't use water, and including electrical fire. Say socket for house. Your socket for house they come on fire. You can't put water. You won't shock with that. You can't use water to extinguish gas fire and what? And electrical fire. Am I communicating? So this man, that particular day, what did he go do? Fire, everybody now, our normal thinking, carry water, pour inside. Now the water come on. The water can't touch every other angle. Where the spoon, plate, photo, everywhere, fire plenty everywhere. Number one error. But the gas still come on water, still come on fire. Then the second error again. Waiting my papa talk here. But in another way, he goes, say he don't hear and say he didn't cover fire. Say the fire go come out. Now so he carry big drum, plastic drum. He carry him, use and cover them. Meanwhile, if you want to use any of that method, maybe papa talk or use drum, it must cover it completely. And you must know the water, because if you don't cover it completely and air see they enter for under, you know our normal drum now, especially dey for under. So the man talking say he don't cover them. After like 30 seconds, remember say he use plastic drum, the plastic melts. The plastic when you want use quench the fire, the plastic melt again. The fire come big. You won't be like say they put extra fuel inside the fire, and so the thing come multiply until they were able to extinguish the fire. They now had to call me. We now had to look for number one, sand. Waiting my oga talk, foam, detergent inside water, plenty. So no be say you go, no say water go plenty pass detergent too. Detergent go plenty well. Then we can't beg those who maybe say they get car for house. We say they get fine speaker for their car. You can't use them. We shall have execution. This particular day, to fix that particular gas leakage, maybe it will cost them 1,000 naira. Maybe it will cost them how much? 1,000 naira. At the end of the day, he ended up spending, not even spending, he lost the gas cylinder, he lost the gas, all the kitchen got burnt. The fire entered their sitting room, everywhere dark. They are pushing share, everywhere burnt. Why? Because they failed to put small thing. That's why in English they say prevention is what? is what? Is better than cure.
Please subscribe if you're enjoying this.
It's better we prevent accident. When you see small thing that could lead to accident, I'm saying this because it's my field and I'm so passionate about it. Because little things like this, if you had known, you will have repaired it. But little things like this, people don't know, and it has made us to lose millions of naira. Who knows? The fire accident that happened yesterday, in which the woman and the daughter died, maybe it was because of one simple thing. Some people for their house, they go stop petrol inside their house, say they don't want to make thief steal them. And you don't know if fire accident can happen. Saving petrol in your house is very dangerous. What if there's a fire? That petrol we do waiting. We multiply the fire. Save the petrol, we say you go, maybe, okay, leave it for 2 days or for 3 days. Save one. It costs you lesser to go and buy petrol every day than to save petrol in your home. Most of us, we don't get anything. In fact, almost all of us here, if we get a extinguisher for house, fire extinguisher for house, our hands up. If we get fire extinguisher for house, our hands up, and nobody go get them. If we get anything, we go extinguish fire. If it happen, raise up your hand. Because we dey pray say lie, fire no go happen for my house. Abi na, we dey always pray. Say, are you praying for us to experience it? I want to ask you a question. Those that are experiencing fire accident in their house, did they pray for it? Are you more prayerful than them? Prevention is better than cure. That is why faith and work works together. Faith without work, I think they say is blind or something. Then work without faith is lame or something. We need to put the two together. While you have faith that you don't want bad thing to happen, you must also work towards it. Put preventive measures in place. That is about gas fire. The second one we're talking about is about electricity. Do you know that our electricity, it can lead to fire? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, right? It can lead to fire. I know that I can see those are active. It can lead to fire. So when we know that, how can you detect if this thing goes soon lead to fire? How can you detect? What are those signs that you know? If a particular electrical appliance can lead to fire, what are those signs that you can see? If I don't do this thing, it will lead to fire. For maybe your socket, your wire, your cable, your television, sparking. Mommy, take, it's for you. When you detect that it is sparking, want to say something? No, I know. I'm saying that báàlẹ̀ máa ṣe mọ̀ ní pé àkíní yìí ó máa di iná tí ìbá tètè yanjú ẹ̀. What are those signs that you see? Kí ni sign yẹn?
Sign yẹn ni pé tí iná yẹn ẹ mọ̀ pé wáyà tí wáyà bá ti kọ ara
spark ọ̀dà kan spark ó tún kún kan náà.
A máa rùn náà.
A máa rùn, thank you, take. A máa rùn. There's another one again. Ó máa spark, ó máa rùn, ó tún kún kan again. Melt, àwọn mi every baby wa tán àmì fún yín ni mọ̀. Another one is melt, ó máa melt, àwọn àdìpọ̀ tí melt mọ́ra wọn. Spark kan, irun ọ̀tọ̀, then àdìpọ̀ tí melt, ó ń gbó tí lẹ́pọ̀, ó ti fún yín ní sign yẹn, ó ti ń gbóná, ó ti ń rọba eating. Tí ẹ bá tètè yanjú ẹ̀, kí ló fà á? Kí ni mo lè pè náà o? Kí ni fuel? Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Kí ni fuel tó ń jẹ́ kí iná electrical fire láti bí a socket, kí ni nǹkan tó máa yẹ kó mo máa gbòòrò sí? Circuit. Kí èbe atẹ́gùn gbọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀jú mi rìn sára. Kí ni nǹkan tó máa fún ní agbára sí? Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. No, mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ electrical fire. Electricity, socket, television, nǹkan tó ń lò náà. Kí ni nǹkan tó ń fún ní agbára láti máa?
àwọn wáyà tó wà ń bẹ̀.
Kí ni nǹkan tó wà ní wáyà yẹn?
Current.
Ẹnìkan dárúkọ náà sí. Ẹnìkan dárúkọ náà ní ìlàjì. No, ẹnìkan dárúkọ náà lẹ́yìn ní. Ṣé ẹnìkan dárúkọ náà bàbá ẹ̀dá ẹlẹ́niwé?
Just subscribe.
Iná tó mú wá yẹn gangan òun ló máa boost ẹ̀. So ó kù ìwé kan mo ṣe ní báyìí lóyún báyìí ṣá. Kí wọ́n ní nǹkan tá a lè ṣe tí iná bá ti jáde tó ti ń yọná kí ni first day ká kọ́kọ́ ṣe? Ó ti gbìyànjú ẹ máa ń fún ó máa ń pa ẹ máa ń fún wèé ó ti gbìyànjú okay ni.
Ṣé tọ̀nà fi ń pa náà bó mi?
Okay, I see some barrel is here anyway. So the first thing is what? You will go and remove it from the, your main power supply. Ìbéèrè ń bọ̀, ìbéèrè máa wá, ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀, ìyẹn lè ọ̀tọ̀ ni. The first thing is to switch off from the source. Tó yẹ pé ìdílé wa ni, àdúgbò ibìkan tó ń jóná, àdàrí pé àtàrà sọ́kẹ̀tì ni, a máa lọ yọ fuse wa, first thing yẹn. Tí ẹ bá fi lè yọ fuse yẹn, iná ẹ̀ ti wà limited because tí ẹ bá yọ fuse, tí ẹ bá dá anything sí, àbá sínú ẹ̀ ṣì wà ń bẹ̀, á sì máa jò. Ẹ bá lọ́wọ́ kọ́ kí ni kọ́kọ́ lọ pa náà, you must first remove it from the switch. So now, that is for electrical fire and gas fire. So now, alákọ̀ọ́kọ́, mo ní pé kẹ́rọ̀ mílẹ̀ tí ń gba kíní kan níbẹ̀rẹ̀, ta ló rántí?
Reason why gas leak. Reason why gas leak. Cylinder leak.
Oh, mọ́mí ẹ̀yin méjì ni o. Ẹ̀jọ̀ bí mo ní báírò kan sí. Ẹ̀jọ̀ báírò mi tán lé ni o. Okay. Mọ́mí ẹ̀gbà. Àbí white lẹ́fẹ́. Okay, have your own. So now, I said tí gáàsì bá ń lè bá àlàmà yẹn mọ̀. Oníkan tó pè ní foam test. Kí mo pè? Foam test. Ẹ máa mú detergent yín bóyá Omo. Ẹ máa fi sínú omi, ẹ máa fi bóyá omi àbí area àbí anyone. Ẹ máa fi sínú omi. Ẹ máa gbé Omo máa ń yọ bọ́ọ̀bù. Tí ẹ bá fi ra gbogbo ara cylinder yín, tí bẹ̀ bá ń leak, bọ́ọ̀bù máa jáde. Very simple, kò le rárá. Ẹ lè nípa gbogbo ara cylinder yín. Ibi láti rí pé ó ti ń yọ bíi ẹ máa bọ́ọ̀bù yẹn náà tó ti ń yọ yẹn. Kí ni ti ń leak? Ẹ lè fi ra gbogbo ara orí cylinder yẹn náà. Tó bá ti fún mi máa pọ̀ gan, àbí omi máa pọ̀ gan, ọmọ yẹn máa pọ̀. Ẹ máa kì síbẹ̀ tó fi lè yọ bọ́ tó yẹ pù. Yeah, ó lè fi mí sí just to cover it so that kò ní jẹ́ kí kíní ẹ máa jáde ni. Ó ti yé. So that's the first thing. The first thing is tọ́dúgbò tí ń leak bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn or ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ bí yá ń leak. Ẹ fi foam ẹ fi kíní yẹn fi rá tó bá ń leak. The best thing you can do is to go and repair it. Ó better ju kí nǹkan tí ẹ pé ẹlòmíì lose life because of that.
I have a question.
Okay.
How do you know it's leaking?
It will bring out bubbles. Do you know your normal bubble now? You know, children, if they are playing with, if they are watching now, those bubbles, because if it's leaking, it's air. I mean, it's not air. It's air now. So is that air that is coming out? That's the gas that will be bringing out the bubble because of the detergent that is there. So it's foaming method.
Ẹ fẹ́ jókòó ní àsanwó ni.
You see it coming up.
Ẹ ṣe máa jókòó. Ẹ̀yin sanwó ni.
I think this wrong class in you. Help me lago torí. So that is number one. Then now, if I tell you what wrong, that is the first thing. They didn't prevent it by checking. And when they saw that leakage didn't challenge, the next thing that they're supposed to do is to go and repair it immediately. Most of wa get to one lay on shock wa. Who can one later alone lay on shock wa, but manage it. I manage ya. My fault. That is shocking, though it is shocking, but it's a sign that something else can happen. It's a sign that there's a fault, that if you don't address it, it can be that ọjọ́ test in the day when you know they for house. Now that thing go, the thing go happen. They call you for work, say, Baba Dajaja, why that happen for your house? So, meanwhile, you could have prevented it by putting simple safety measures in place. We don't want this fire to happen again. So that is that.
To get more videos like this, subscribe.
Then next one, about the story. The man went to put use water. And like I said, you don't use water to extinguish gas fire or electrical fire. The best you can do is, if you can't afford fire extinguisher, sand, sharp sand, means okay, not clay, sharp sand, sharp sand. Have a bucket. Have this iron bucket. Put it somewhere in your house. Pour those sharp sand there. Save it there. Any day fire happens and it's at a little stage, at the early stage, you can use sand to extinguish it. But you go never say you go to power like say they pour small. You go put first. Take the sand, use and hit them. The fire will extinguish. But it's at the early stage. Another one that my guy said is putting foam detergent inside water. All these little things. And if you are cooking and maybe you are frying palm oil and the fire comes up, they will tell you to cover it. A very good method too. But if you want to use foam, you can put the foam in water small. Because if you don't do that, you know, if the foam is dry, it can actually catch fire. So make it watery. Put it in water, squeeze it, then use it to cover it. It will extinguish. The best remedy is to prevent. After preventing, if it can't work, the next remedy is to cut where the fuel is coming from. If it's for gas fire, off it. If it's for electrical fire, remove your fuse. That is that about electrical fire and gas fire. Then another one I want to talk about, the final one, before I ask my 2 questions. And those that will answer the question are those that have been responding. If you are not responding, I won't give you the opportunity. My 2 questions. No, sorry. My last one. Some of us are fond of something. Most of us, we are especially in East Africa. When the fire is happening somewhere, we'll go and stay there and be watching. We'll be looking at, we'll stand there and be looking at it like film. Why do we do that kind of stupid thing? We will stay there and be watching fire. Meanwhile, when a fire is happening, a real fire, an outside fire, maybe a gas, maybe a tanker, fire outbreak. Number 1, the first fire that you see is the primary one. That is not the real one. When that one is still extinguishing, when that one is still on, are we there? When that one is still on, and the fire is still on like that, expect a secondary explosion. That one is worse than the primary explosion. Because at that stage, where the real fuel is, the fire is still going to get there. Something else might have triggered the fire. But if the fire has not gotten to that place, that main place, once it gets there, what will happen? It will explode. That is why you see that sometimes if you watch some videos, fire will be, you see fire out there, you see fire there. You're watching the video, then suddenly you just hear "Bow." That is secondary explosion. And people have been a victim of that. Why? Because they will stand there and be watching, be looking at film. Some people will go there to go and see what's happening. When the fire is happening, leave that area. Now, what happened for Otedola Bridge? You remember that Otedola Bridge road? Your car, you saw fire in your front, and you were in your car, and you were sitting right there in your car. People got burnt inside their car with their car. Why? Because they could not leave their car and run away. You don't fire as simple as fire is. Okay, I will not use this bus. May we not be victims of fire accident. Let's say any bus now, if the fire starts and they don't attend to it, within 10 minutes, the whole bus can will become ash. A whole house, a bungalow, if the fire starts and they don't attend to it, within 10 minutes, within 10-15 minutes, the whole house will come down. Fire is not a joke. If you've seen people that have been involved in fire, you won't pray to be one. So whenever we see a fire explosion or any fire, leave that place. Train your kids. On my YouTube channel, I've trained people on what to do when there's a fire. Train your kids to do what? If there's a fire in the house, they should come for help and they should leave the house. They should not stay there. When there's life, there's what? There's hope. You don't stay in the fire.
To get more of these videos, kindly click the subscribe button. It is free. Please subscribe.
Another thing I will say quickly, when there's fire and you can see smoke, one thing that used to help people is when they go down, there's smoke everywhere. You can see the fire and you are still inside the fire where there's fire. You go down and you crawl. Do you know why? Who can tell me the reason? Mommy is learned. Tell me, ma.
The fire will be burning up, and when you crawl, it will not touch you.
Okay, you are correct. That is one. There's another one that is the main reason why people will crawl. I'm talking about the.
For clarity.
For clarity, yes. Now this is the scope. when fire is burning, the smoke always go up.
Then the down will be clear.
Some people die of smoke before the fire. The fire will just burn them later. People die of smoke or fire before the actual fire go. Because they keep on inhaling the smoke. And smoke is very thick. So smoke will go up and the down will be what? We still have more oxygen. So you crawl to where you will be safer. Talking about fire emergency is another one on its own. Hopefully in my next vlog sometime, if you meet again, you'll be able to learn about fire emergency. But if you want to learn about it yourself, you can just search for safety moment with Wali Yola on YouTube. You will see my videos there. Go and watch and learn. Safety moment with Wali Yola. My videos are there. So now my question now. I've been so elaborate. I want everybody to know this question, the answer to this question. Number one question. Give me one person will give me 5 things that can lead to fire. 5 things that can lead to fire.
Petrol.
No, you raise up your hand and you mention the 5.
Petrol.
Petrol.
Light.
Eh?
Light.
Which light? No, which light now? You are correct, but which light? I want you to be definite.
No, the firewood.
Which light? You mean in a NEPA? Electrical light, or the electric light. So not light can be bulb now. Diesel and petrol. What's the difference? They are all fuel. Who is going to try?
Gas light.
If you want to talk it up your hand so that we will not mix it up. Okay, you?
Gas fire.
Gas fire. Yeah. Electrical fire. Inside gas fire, you can mention some things that can lead to fire too.
When it sparks.
When there is spark, okay. You have 3 now. Gas fire, electrical fire, when there is spark. Another one. No. It's a turn. Don't mix it up. Another one.
I cannot say the one she has said.
No, you can't say it. Unless it permits you to say it. Seek permission.
Can I say? Can you permit me to say?
If I may, seek permission. Oh yeah, which one again? There are so many.
When you perceive the
No. That one has signs. Okay, ma. Oh yeah, back to you.
Gas
I'm a party driver.
Wait, oh.
gas fire,
Gas fire,
electrical fire, fuel fire,
fuel fire, generator fire. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah.
sparking of wire,
Sparking of wire. Okay. Leaking of gas. Thank you very much. So I'm paying you 500 naira. No, my last question before I go and sit down. See, I'm sweating because of you. Last question. We talk about prevention is better than what? Cure. Give me 5 ways you can prevent fire in your home. 5 ways you can prevent fire in your house. There are so many. Oh boy, sir, I'm in Lagoon. Give me 5 ways you can prevent fire in our home. Number 1. Repairing of gas leakage. Okay.
Please, the question again.
Give me 5 ways you can prevent fire accident in your home. 5 ways you can prevent fire accident in your home. Not in my house.
When it wants to.
Together we can save life. Knowledge is power. Share this video and subscribe to get updates on more safety videos.
When the fire has come, you remove the fuse.
By removing the fuse for electrical fire 1, by repairing the gas, if there's any leakage, checking for leakages. And another one, you mentioned 2. Any other one? Ora. Okay, fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. No, you're not right. How you can prevent fire? Fire extinguisher is when there is fire. Yeah, so how can you prevent fire from happening? You don't want it to happen at all. Going. Okay, next person. Hey, wala shele.
Induction boxes.
Inspecting your induction box. Okay.
And inspecting the cylinder itself.
Inspecting the cylinder.
Checking out the generators.
Checking your generators. Okay.
And white frying.
Okay.
Notifying the gas white frying. Also the white frying.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
Last one.
Last one.
Why using the iron?
Okay. Kilo iron. Okay.
That can cause fire.
Okay. There are so many of them. We've all tried. Mommy already have my 500 naira already. But I need one person to take my remaining 500 naira. I need one more person to take the remaining money. One more person. One more person. Inspecting our gas, inspecting our cylinder. I talk about not keeping too much fuel in your house. Abi I not talk am. Not to say because of fuel subsidy, you won't buy 10 kg, you put inside your sitting room. You won't burn your house. So you don't keep too much of fuel in your home. You only keep you check your generator. Check your generator house. So many of them have talked. Check for leakages of your gas. Which other one? Check for overheating of your sockets, electrical appliances. Check for spark. Which other one? Electrical shock too. If there's electrical shock, go and repair them. Don't wait till it gets bad. I think. How can I do those things now? You got 4? 4.5. 4.5. Oh yeah, mention one more. If you mention one more, I will give you.
One more.
Yes. You mentioned 4 now. You said iron. What do you do iron?
Another thing is that notifying the traveling electrical appliances.
Notifying.
Yes.
In what?
Inspecting them.
Okay, inspecting them.
Inspecting them.
Okay. Inspecting your electrical appliances. Beautiful.
Yes. Traveling water heater.
Okay.
Gas cooker.
Okay. Making them like that. Making 5. You tried. I will give you like that. You share rumor. So we have 2 winners already. So what's more important is not about the gifts. Seriously, the gift is small compared to the day that you will need this. Check your home regularly, inspect your home, and make sure that your family is safe. So right about now, do you have 500 right there? Okay, bring it. Okay, mommy, take your money back. So if you say I'm not lying, no, don't think I'm lying, no, and I don't know them from anywhere. So I think we have actually discussed about safety, and I believe that when we get to our homes, we will start to practice what we have learned today. My name is Wali Wadegoke, and I'm a safety advocate. I preach about it, and I hope that I can do this regularly. I did this in around February this year, and this November. It's not always easy. To shout like this is not easy. And the courage to come out like this is not always easy. But with encouragement, you can always do better. Always make sure that your home is safe. Remember, it's not only about you, it's about you and your family. Consider your family, consider yourself, and always be safe. Thank you, and God bless you. See these people,